Hey guys, so I got the turbo out of the car last night. It was a trip to get this turbo out, but we got it out, and see inside the compressor wheel is fine. The compressor housing is fine. It's just the exhaust turbine, and the exhaust turbine housing is just totally destroyed on the inside when it definitely ejectocito Fast and Furious style. But yeah, I was doing about 65 on the highway, and starting to get into boost. It over boosted, and then there was a whole bunch of smoke. So new turbo right here. Get the try and get a thumbnail. There we go. So we are gonna unbox this and see the differences in the packing. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me grab a knife real quick. We can start that. This side's already like cut out. Same with these sides. This is how it came. I was like, oh, okay, that's fine. We cover up the address. Let's get this. Alright. First thing you see is this pamphlet. We don't really read directions anyway, but we'll look at that in a little bit. Get the packing out of here. Ooh, there she is. Alright. Alright. Upon inspection, just a real quick glance, it looks about the same, but I don't know. We'll have to take a look at it and see real quick. We'll take it out of this. Turbine, a little baggy. Dang, this thing's on there. All right. There it is. She's a new turbo, and we don't have to clock it because it's already coming in the direction that it needs to. I'm gonna turn it. There we go. I mean, it looks about the same, but the wastegate is definitely bigger, but we're just about the same. It looks pretty good. The oil and coolant and everything else is in the same exact spots, so we're fine with that. This is pretty good. I like it. I'm gonna get it on the car and see how it goes. It'll be interesting. It does come with whatever's in here, assuming gaskets and stuff, the studs and yeah, extra gaskets. All right. We got 2 extra studs. Interesting. Let's see what else we got in here. I guess this is the pre-oiling before you start the turbo. Let's get one more. Something else in here. We got white gloves to put on this thing. Oh my god, that's awesome. See if there's anything in here. Can't believe it came with white gloves. Like, okay. We handling this cleanly. I do have a blow-off plate coming in, so we'll be waiting for that. Let's see. I can't focus on that. This is a GTI or GT1 446 GLS SZ, whatever that means, but it should be okay. Yeah, as long as the layout's the same, I don't really care about anything else. The size, they look like they're from like the same cast mold, so nothing different other than this little clamp is a lot thicker than that one, but other than that, exhaust housing shouldn't be any different. But we'll have to see. We'll slap it on the car and we will get to work. Alright guys, this is an unboxing of the Stigan, I don't know, turbocharger, and yeah, this is where we'll leave off. They look about the same size. They don't look any bigger than each other, but this one is, the inlet is tapered in on this. On the Garrett, it's a straight in, but on the newer turbo, you see my fingers come together. It's tapered in, so I don't know. I mean, well, I'll make a video of the car running and seeing if there's like any bit of more turbo lag or more turbo response. We will go ahead and see that. We will go from there. This is just a quick unboxing video before I go to work, so we will be putting that in later tonight, maybe. We'll see how I feel. I want to get it all done as soon as possible so I can get the car up and running. Car's been down for a few days, so yeah. And this is, I think, the turbo oil. This is definitely oil. All right. And that's it. We'll see you in the next episode of changing out the turbo on my 2013 Dodge Dart. Alright guys, have a good day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.